Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get TikTok shop promo code and how you can claim them. So let's get to a browser here, and here you have to just type TikTok shop promo code and just search for it. Now here you will get a lot of website and you can use this website to get this promo code here. So this is, let's say this is 5% one, and this works genuinely. So just go and click on here and you will get this promo code. Now you have to use this promo, and then you can use this promo code in TikTok shop, right? So if you're trying to buy any of the product from TikTok shop, you can use this promo code from there. And this is how useful. These are some of the different website, and just check this website. And this website, you once you go and click on this detail option here, usually it's expired on the end of this December, right? So make sure you use it before that time, or you can just get the latest one which is available. And TikTok shop also show you some of the promo codes in the website. You can also get it from there. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video, subscribe.